Little rabbit woke with the morning sun. Today he had work, a big job to be done. His mother was resting, tucked in her bed. A fever had made her sleepy and red. I'll help you, Mama, don't worry today. I'll cook you some breakfast, I'll wash dishes, hooray. He hopped to the kitchen with carrots and peas, added some herbs and a pinch of cheese. He stirred the soup gently with care in each scoop. The steam curled up like a warm, cozy loo. He chopped up some berries and baked them in tins, humming a tune as he wiped his small chin. Here comes your breakfast, hot and so sweet. Mama, please try it, it's a special treat. She smiled weakly and nibbled a bite. Her eyes sparkled softly with joy and delight. The little rabbit served water, cleaned up the floor. He even swept crumbs off the kitchen door. By afternoon, Mama felt better, no fear. Thank you, my child, for caring so dear.